Ever wonder why so many millionaires choose real estate over the stock market? Let me paint the picture. While the S&P 500 gives you an average return of around 8 to 10% a year, real estate plays by different rules. With stocks, if you invest $10,000, that's all you've got working for you. But in real estate, that same 10 grand can be your down payment on a $100,000 property. That's leverage, and it's the secret sauce behind serious wealth building. Real estate pays you in multiple ways. You get monthly cash flow, your property gains value over time, and the government throws in tax perks like depreciation and those sweet 1031 exchanges. Even after a market crash, property values usually bounce back stronger. Just look at what happened after the 2008 housing crisis. On the other hand, the stock market, one bad headline, and boom, your portfolio tanks. Real estate is more than just owning a home. It's about controlling appreciating assets that literally pay you to hold them. That's the strategy the top 1% use, and why over 90% of millionaires have real estate in their portfolio. Stocks build slow wealth, real estate builds power wealth.